Good morning, everyone. Day 32. Getting ready to leave Spence Field Shelter to head to Solid Ball Shelter today. Like I said, 11.8 miles. Kind of windy this morning. Gusts, I think, going to be anywhere from 20 to 30 mile an hour winds today. High about 48, something like that, 52, somewhere around there. Anyways, yeah, it's cool this morning. Well, when we get on the trail, we'll try to get some views and give you all some pictures and videos. So talk to y'all later. Mile 184.3. Got us a nice view here. Good old beautiful Smoky Mountains there. Talk to y'all later. All right, y'all. This is our trail this morning. We've been climbing. Come from way down there. And we're still going up. I think we're going to have like 5,000 footers today. So we'll talk to y'all later. When we're going that way, let's roll. Mile 187.4. That's the view. Talk to y'all later. Alright. 185.1, I believe it was. Got us a slight view. Down there you can see that's clouds down there among those mountains. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 185.1. Got us a spectacular view. You can see the mountains way off in the distance there. This is awesome. Oh wow. We're almost to the top of Rocky Top. And when we get up there, I think it's 0.1 miles up. And we'll be there to see if we can get more views. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 185.1 again, in the second spot. This is the top of Rocky Top. We got a fantastic view. Sorry about the wind. We got about 30 mile an hour wind gusts. 48 degrees up here. Talk to y'all later. Mile 186.6. Got us a survey marker on top of this mountain. Not much of a view. Talk to y'all later. Alright, mile 187. Got us a view here. Of course, the beautiful Smokies.
Climb getting here.
Here's some steep climbs. We had 4 steep climbs so far, and they were no joke. Talk to y'all later. Mile 187.4, and got a little bit of view behind me here. We're climbing another steep one. Talk to y'all later. All right, day 32 video. We made it to Derrick Knob shelter. We went like 6 point something here to here. We didn't get to Siler's Ball shelter because we still have 5.7 more miles to go. And the mountains were very steep. They were rough. It took it out of us today, so we're going to stay here at the Derrick Knob, and then tomorrow we're going to go to Siler Bald, which is 5.7. So we're going to hop from shelter to shelter. Like I say, it was rough. We got here at 1 o'clock, and by the time we had 5.7 more miles to go to Siler's Bald, it would have been in the dark when we got there, so we didn't want to do that. So, like I said, we took our time, got here, so we're relaxing. I'm out here outside the shelter because the shelter's full of people. It's like some of them don't want to be on video. But anyhow, y'all take care. Have a good night. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we'll talk to you tomorrow. We'll probably be waking up to rain because it's supposed to start raining after 10 o'clock tonight. But hopefully no freezing cold weather like I did the other time. So, good night, y'all.